Model, 2014 Volkswagen Caddy Maxi C20 Diesel 2.0 TDI 140PS Window Van Automatic DSG Spares OR Repairs Low Miles 67k. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 67,189. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140 PSB. Transmission, front-wheel drive automatic. Mechanical summary, non-runner turns over won't fire. Engine sounds good, not sure if it's a fuel issue, prepare for the worst, but this could be something simple. Waving hand, light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is indecent, average condition. Rear load area is indecent, average condition. Features: aircon, electric windows, DSG, crew cab. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.